Okay, I just saw my video. You've got to be kidding me right now. Oh my god, dude. I was not intending planning this. Is it steaming? Maybe it's just gotten cold. It's not steaming. As an Emerson motor. This thing will probably turn back on. I was literally just taking pictures. I'm getting my phone out and this thing goes into defrost. No steam because there's no ice because it's just too cold. There's no humidity. There we go. Oh, that feels good. The reversing wheel switch. There we go. I was not expecting that at all. Oh my goodness. That's 3 vintage heat pumps. That's 3 rare heat pumps I've caught defrosting this winter. There it goes. Started up after when I defrost, but it started up in my video. But yeah, anyways, 2001 3.5 tons. Yeah, anyways, thank you for watching and over and out.